the season that we are in.
Isikhathi lapho esikhona
Mvura yomoya mtshele.
amanzi kamoya ongcwele.
The wind
Umoya
of the Spirit
kamoya
will be so available.
uyabugcwele.
Unozothi ukapinda muna July.
Ungangena kuJuly
Chero zvinhu zvacho zvimwe zvakuchinja ndizvo.
ukuthi izinto zakhona sezitshintsha.
But July vatakajaira
Kodwa uJuly simjwayelelwani
na August.
lo August.
Awupedze
Awuqedi
usina kutosverwa nemhine.
ungaphandlwanga
Because mhepo ingodai.
ngoba umoya uyavunguza.
Chero uchifarira mhepo.
Lanxa uthanda
Chero
umoya,
uchivenga.
lanxa ungawuthandi,
Inongodai.
uyapha ngukwenza so.
Sesisa.
Isikhathi.
God laid in my heart
uNkulunkulu ufake enhliziyweni yami
into the season that we are in.
isikhathi esiyiso,
It's a season where you just walk into a service.
isikhathi ongena ku-service
Ungonzwa ukuthi umoya uyakufamba.
uzwe nje ukuthi umoya uyahamba.
Have you ever been there?
So ungafika endaweni enjalo.
I've been in services where
Sengangena kuma-service
before
lapho
you even say Jesus, when you just cough,
phonga ukhwehlela nje kuthiwa ngathi Jesu.
ungonzwa umoya mtshele
Uzwe umoya
I'm
ongcwele
here.
sefikile sengikhona.
I am here.
Sengikhona.
But I've also been in services
Kodwa ngingaba namanye ama-service futhi
where you cry
lapho engene khona ukhale,
and scream,
uscreame,
and the manifest presence of God is not there.
uscreame kodwa
It doesn't
ungakhali.
mean that God Himself is not there.
Akusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu yena ngokwakhe kapho.
But pane mamwe seasons.
Kodwa kunezinye izikhathi.
I remember one time we had a season here.
Kwesinye isikhathi sake saba le season lapha.
Tikangoya,
Saphonga ukubuya,
tikangosangana, whether it's a
sahlangana
Praise and
nje,
worship prayer
kanye
meeting.
praise and worship prayer meeting,
or it is a care group meeting.
kumbe ni care group meeting,
Moya ingofamba.
umoya ezihambela nje.
Vakomana ndakatukwa nevabereki.
Mina ngathethiswa ngabazali.
Untumbano umwe.
Lapha entumbane la
Chitakura vana vevanhu.
ngithwala abantwana babanikazi
Vakutadza kufamba.
bengasenelisi ukuhamba.
Kuimbono.
Chitsho ndochiva nenini kayini.
I remember one day,
Kwelinye ilanga
it's a child that we took to
kunomnye umntwana
the house
esamhambisayo
near Patika Crusade.
indlela laphana esayenzela khona ikrusede eqhuba indaba.
The mother shouted at us.
Umama wasithethisa nayo,
Shouted.
wasithethisa.
Then I said, can we just pray?
Ngasesingicela ukuthi sithandaze singene.